Hello friends, welcome to Learn Positive with Pradeep Kumar. If you are seeing my channel, like, comment and share with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon. Strength of Materials, Unit 1, Chapter 1, Statics of Particles, Solution for Problems, Class 9. If you want to see my previous classes, please visit my channel and see all the videos. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Two forces are acting at a point O as shown in the figure. The figure was given below. Determine the resultant, its magnitude and direction by resolving the forces. We have to find the resultant and its direction. So see the diagram. From the point O, there was two forces F1 and F2. F1 is 50 Newton and F2 is 100 Newton. It was made by an angle of 15 degree from the x-axis, and F2 is made an angle of 30 degree from the force F1. The angle of F2 from the x-axis is 45 degree. It was by summation of 15 plus 30 degree. Now see the given data. Force F1 equal to 50 Newton and force F2 equal to 100 Newton. The angle of F1 theta 1 is 15 degree. The angle of F2 theta 2 is 15 plus 30 degree. It was 42 degree from the x-axis. So to find resultant of force R and direction of the resultant theta. This sum is different from the previous sum. We have to calculate the forces from the x-axis and y-axis. From the x-axis, the formula is summation of fx equal to f1 cos theta 1 plus f2 cos theta 2. For the x-axis, we use cos theta, and for y-axis, we use sin theta. So now I substitute the value of f1 theta 1 and f2 theta 2. So 50 into cos 15 degree plus 100 into cos 45 degree. The value we are calculating as 48.296 plus 70.711. Now the summation of this value is 119 Newton. This is the resultant from the x-axis. Now we are going to found the resultant from the y-axis. So summation of Fy equal to F1 sin theta 1 plus F2 sin theta 2. As I said before, for y-axis we are using sin theta. So now substitute the value of F1 theta 1 and F2 theta 2. So 50 into sin 15 degree plus 100 into sin 45 degree. The value will be 12.941 plus 70.71. Now the summation of the value is 83.65 Newton. The resultant from the y-axis is found. Now we are going to calculate the resultant, total resultant. So formula is magnitude of resultant of force R equal to root of Rx square plus Ry square. Now substituting the value of Rx and Ry, it was 119 square plus 83.65 square. Now the square of the value is root of 14,161 plus 6,997.82. Now the summation of the value is root of 21,158.322. Now the square root of the value is 145.459 Newton. The final resultant is 145.49 Newton. Now we have to find the direction of the resultant. So the direction of resultant tan theta equal to Ry by Rx. Now we are going to substitute the value of Ry and Rx. It was 83.65 divided by 119 and the value will be 0.702. Now I am transferring the tan theta from the left to the right. It becomes tan inverse. So theta equal to tan inverse 0.702. By calculating this, the value will be theta equal to 35.06 degree. Now we found the direction of the resultant. So finally we have to write the result. The result will be resultant of force R equal to 145.45 Newton and the value of direction of resultant theta is 35.06 degree. If you like this channel, please give thumbs up, and if you have any doubt, please comment on the comment section and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you friends.